Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner suddenly starts flashing HL on the display, it can feel confusing, especially when the unit was cooling normally before. Sometimes the air conditioner may stop working properly, while other times it continues running, but the code keeps appearing on the screen. In many situations, the HL message is related to collected water inside the system and may show up when the unit needs attention before cooling can continue normally. The good part is that this usually does not take long to check, and a few simple steps can often help clear the display and get everything running again. Let's walk through an easy way to fix a DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner flashing HL. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner before checking the lower drain area. Step 2. Open the drain section on the DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner and allow collected water to empty out. Step 3. Check the filter inside the DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner and remove dust if airflow seems reduced. Step 4. Inspect the exhaust hose connected to the DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner and confirm airflow moves freely. Step 5. Restart the DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner after reconnecting everything properly. Step 6. Watch the screen on the DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner and confirm the HL message disappears normally.